It's 4:46 a.m. when an elderly man slowly opens his eyes, disturbed by an intense pressure in his lower back and a deep pulsing discomfort in his abdomen. He swings his legs over the side of the bed, only to realize that his ankles are swollen again. As he goes about his day, his breathing feels heavier than usual and he's constantly tired. Even though he hasn't done much all day, he thinks it's just aging. But deep inside, something far more serious is quietly taking hold. His kidneys are beginning to fail. Here's what most people don't realize. Kidney disease is a silent epidemic. By the time symptoms appear, the damage is often already severe. In fact, over 800 million people worldwide are estimated to have chronic kidney disease, CKD, many without even knowing it. And once the kidneys start shutting down, the reality sets in: dialysis.
An exhausting, expensive, and often lifelong procedure that can dramatically reduce your quality of life. But here's the truth. While some damage is irreversible, the kidneys are resilient organs. And in many cases, you can support and protect your kidney health through natural, consistent lifestyle changes, starting with what you drink. That's right. Your daily beverages can make a powerful impact on your kidney's ability to flush out toxins, regulate blood pressure, and maintain optimal health.
So in this video, we're diving into the top 8 natural drinks that can help cleanse and protect your kidneys, improve urinary function, and may even help you delay or avoid dialysis altogether. If you're experiencing fatigue, swelling, high blood pressure, or frequent urination, it might be your kidneys trying to signal distress. This isn't about magical cures. It's about giving your body the tools it needs to heal and perform better naturally. These 8 drinks are not only safe and affordable, they're backed by science and have been used for centuries to support kidney health. Ready to give your kidneys the nourishment they deserve? Let's dive in. 1. Lemon water, the daily detoxifier. Let's start simple. Lemon water. It's an easy, accessible remedy that packs a detoxifying punch. Lemon juice contains citrate, a natural acid that binds with calcium in the urine. This process helps prevent kidney stones by stopping calcium from crystallizing into sharp, painful stones. But lemon water does far more than that. It supports the body's natural pH balance, acting as an alkaline-forming drink despite its acidity. This helps the kidneys process waste more efficiently. Plus, lemons are a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immunity and helps repair tissues, including those inside the kidneys. 2. Cranberry juice, the UTI shield. Next is cranberry juice, a well-known hero for urinary health. It's rich in proanthocyanidins, compounds that prevent bacteria, especially E. coli, from adhering to the lining of the urinary tract. This is crucial because UTIs can ascend to the kidneys and cause serious damage if left untreated. But cranberry juice does more than just protect against infections. It's packed with antioxidants and has been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the urinary system. This is especially helpful for people with existing kidney issues or anyone prone to recurrent infections. The juice also contains vitamin C and other immune-boosting nutrients, making it a smart addition to your diet if you're looking to protect your entire urinary system, not just your kidneys. Tip: always choose 100% unsweetened cranberry juice. Commercial juices with added sugars can worsen kidney stress, especially for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. 3. Dandelion root tea, nature's diuretic. Dandelion root tea has been used for centuries in traditional medicine as a liver and kidney cleanser. It acts as a natural diuretic, increasing the frequency of urination and helping your kidneys flush out built-up waste, excess salt, and retained fluid. What makes it especially powerful is its ability to reduce inflammation inside the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is a major driver of kidney disease, and dandelion contains polyphenols and flavonoids that combat oxidative stress at the cellular level. Additionally, it supports digestion and liver function, both of which are essential to overall detoxification and kidney workload management. Many people report feeling lighter and less bloated after just a few days of drinking it. How to use: steep 1-2 teaspoons of dried dandelion root in hot water for 10 minutes. Drink once or twice daily, preferably between meals. 4. Beet juice, the nitric oxide enhancer. Beet juice is a powerhouse for circulation and blood pressure regulation, both of which are vital for kidney health. Beets are loaded with nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide. This compound dilates blood vessels, improves blood flow, and reduces blood pressure, one of the top risk factors for kidney failure. Beet juice also contains betalains, natural antioxidants that give beets their deep red color. These compounds help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in kidney tissue, potentially slowing down the progression of CKD. For people with early-stage kidney issues, beet juice may help maintain healthy blood flow through the kidneys, aiding in filtration and toxin removal. Note, because beets are high in oxalates, people with a history of oxalate kidney stones should consult their doctor before drinking beet juice regularly. 5. Ginger tea, the inflammation fighter. Ginger tea isn't just soothing, it's healing. Ginger contains gingerols, powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that help reduce swelling and improve circulation to the kidneys. Chronic inflammation is one of the hidden enemies of kidney function, especially in those with diabetes or high blood pressure. Research has shown that ginger may help lower urea and creatinine levels, waste products that kidneys filter from the blood. If these levels are elevated, it means the kidneys are struggling. So anything that helps reduce them naturally is worth considering. It also helps regulate blood sugar levels, offering added protection for people with diabetic kidney issues. The warming properties of ginger also aid digestion and can support the liver, further easing the detox load on your kidneys. How to use: slice a few pieces of fresh ginger and boil them in water for 10-15 minutes. Add lemon or honey for taste. 6. Parsley water, the natural flusher. Don't underestimate parsley. Often overlooked as just a garnish, parsley is packed with vitamins A, C, and K, and contains flavonoids and essential oils that make it a natural detoxifier. Parsley acts as a mild diuretic, increasing the frequency and volume of urination. This is important because it encourages the kidneys to eliminate waste more efficiently. It can also help reduce bloating, flush out sodium, and lower the chances of kidney stone formation. In traditional medicine, parsley has also been used to support urinary tract infections and reduce internal inflammation. It's gentle, nutrient-rich, and highly effective. How to make: boil a handful of fresh parsley in 2 cups of water. Let it simmer for 10 minutes, strain, and drink once cool. It can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. 7. Cucumber mint water, ultimate hydration support. Your kidneys are water-dependent machines. Without enough hydration, they can't properly filter blood, flush out waste, or regulate electrolytes. Cucumber mint water is a delicious way to stay hydrated and keep your kidneys in peak condition. Cucumbers are rich in silica, potassium, and magnesium, minerals that support electrolyte balance and fluid movement. Their high water content also makes them naturally cooling and cleansing. Adding mint provides additional digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits, making this drink a win-win for hydration and kidney support. Tip: add sliced cucumber and mint leaves to a jug of cold water and sip throughout the day. It's especially refreshing in warmer months and helps make drinking water less of a chore. 8. Apple cider vinegar, the stone breaker. Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is one of the most talked about natural remedies for good reason. It contains acetic acid, which may help soften and break down kidney stones, making them easier to pass. ACV also helps the body regulate its internal pH and supports digestion, reducing the toxic load on the kidneys. Its potential to lower blood sugar and blood pressure makes it especially useful for people with diabetes or hypertension, 2 leading causes of kidney damage. Used consistently in small amounts, ACV can help prevent stone recurrence and support the overall health of your renal system. How to use: mix 1 tablespoon of organic, unfiltered ACV in a glass of water. Drink once daily, preferably before meals. Action plan: how to incorporate these drinks. The great news is you don't have to drink all 8 of these every single day. Instead, think of them as tools in your kidney health toolkit. Start by picking 2 or 3 that work best for your lifestyle and preferences. Rotate them throughout the week. Combine that with a whole food diet low in sodium and added sugars, and you've got a simple but powerful plan to protect your kidneys naturally. If you're dealing with early signs of kidney trouble or just want to avoid it in the future, these drinks are a gentle, proactive way to support your body. Be patient, stay consistent, and give your kidneys the time and ingredients they need to repair and thrive. Engage Plus Nest CTA. Which of these 8 drinks are you already using or planning to try first? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts with the community. We'd love to hear your experiences and success stories. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that bell icon so you never miss our weekly health videos focused on natural remedies, aging well, and living a longer, stronger life. Finally, please remember, while natural remedies are powerful, they are not replacements for professional medical care. Always consult your doctor before making changes to your health routine, especially if you're already managing kidney disease, diabetes, or high blood pressure. Take care of your kidneys and they'll take care of you. Stay healthy, stay hydrated, and we'll see you in the next video.